Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and instant white dhokla recipe, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup suji or semolina flour, half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of minced green chilies, salt to taste. I have some Eno powder. This is about 1 teaspoon. Some red chili powder just for garnishing. I have some oil for the seasoning, and these are the mustard seeds, the sesame seeds or til, some curry leaves, green chilies chopped, and a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida for the seasoning. And I also need a cup of water for this dhokla. Now the first thing that I'm going to do in order to make this white dhokla is to prepare the batter for this dhokla. So I have this bowl in which I'm going to add a cup of water. After adding the water, I'm going to add the suji. Next goes in the yogurt. Next goes in the oil, ginger paste, green chilies, and the salt to taste. I'll be adding Eno later. Right now I'm just mixing all these ingredients. Mix it thoroughly. Now after mixing this, I'm just going to leave this mixture aside for about 10 minutes and then start our cooking. Now after keeping this mixture or batter aside for about 10 to 12 minutes, I'm going to add the Eno. And I'm going to mix it again. Although this white dhokla is not as fluffy as the yellow khaman dhokla, this is also called the khatta dhokla, and it's made in a couple of different ways. This is one of the ways to make this khatta dhokla. Now I'm going to pour this batter on this plate. Have some oil on this plate and I'm going to grease it. You can use any container to pour the batter in because we're going to steam it eventually. So I'm just using this plate, but you can use any container. And now this is a greased plate and I'm going to pour this batter in here. Now after pouring the batter into this plate, I'm going to sprinkle some red chili powder just to give it a color and it looks really attractive. You can also put black pepper along with the red chili powder. Black pepper and red chili powder combination also looks really good, but I'm just putting the red chili powder. And when you make this dhokla, don't forget to add the chili paste and the ginger paste that I added in the batter, because that will give you a very delicious flavor to this dhokla. Otherwise it will taste a little bland. Now I've added the red chili powder and now I'm going to steam it. Now I have this steamer and water has been boiling in this, and I'm going to place this tray and I'm going to place our plate over this and just cover it and let it steam for about 15 to 17 minutes on high flame, and then let's check on our dhokla. So it's been about 15 minutes that our dhokla has been steaming on high flame, and let's check on the dhokla. Looks like it's cooked, and I'm just going to insert this skewer and it comes out clean. which means our dhokla is ready. And now I've turned off the gas and let it cool down for about 5 to 7 minutes while I make the seasoning for this dhokla. Now while our dhokla is cooling down, I'm going to prepare the seasoning. Now I'm going to heat this pan and add the oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle, and then I'm going to add the green chilies and the other things. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves. The green chilies. I'm going to add the hing. And the sesame seeds. I'm going to mix everything and turn off the flame. And the seasoning is now ready. Now this is our dhokla, and I'm going to cut it into pieces like this. And after cutting this, I'm going to spread our seasoning over this dhokla. Okay, now this is our dhokla. It looks so attractive and it's super delicious and easy, as you saw. And I'm going to just take it out very carefully on a platter. Like this. See, it looks so attractive, and I'm going to take out all these pieces on this platter. This is our attractive dhokla that I just prepared, and you can see it's super delicious and soft as well. And you can see the red chili powder that looks so attractive on this dhokla. It's optional to add cilantro. I haven't added, but it's up to you. And I'm going to serve it with some cilantro chutney or dhaniya ki chutney. I hope you enjoyed this simple dhokla recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the videos that I post. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.